Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to do a fairy drawing. Well, we are not going to do a fairy drawing, we are going to do fairies drawing. Okay, so we'll make one fairy here and one fairy somewhere here. Let's see how it turns, but we are going to make a pumpkin fairy. So let's draw a pumpkin first. To draw a pumpkin, first what we need to do is draw a pumpkin. है ना? Just draw a U shape. I'll draw it a little dark. Let me see if the shape has come proper. Then I will draw it dark. Yes. So you make this a UA. Then you make one more UA and turn here. Then you make one more UA and turn here. Similarly, here you make one more UA, turn here, one more UA, turn here. Now this shall be like that. But let's see whether hands and the legs of the fairy falls. So one fairy is just coming out of the pumpkin. So for that what we need to do is we will draw the U shape for the face. You know, it's a U with a small chin here. Many children have passed the this princess drawings and they are really lovely, children. Very pretty drawings you all have made. So we'll draw the big eyes. Let us draw big eyes for this fairy. So this Naragundu and this Naragundu with a small undo here. There should be a shine in the eyes of the fairy. So I will be doing that with pencil colors today. Her cute little nose. And see her lips this time. This time we will not make the original lips. We will make her lips a little different. So what we do is we make one U, one more U. From here we go here. And we come back to make the pout. Okay, so fairy is having a pout. This is a child fairy, not that big fairies. We are children, so we will be drawing child. This is the neck and this is her dress. So her hand, let us make the position of her hand first. So her hand comes from here. Can you see this? Yes, her hand comes from here. Let's take her hand here. Okay, now we will start drawing the fingers. So one finger, two, this will be the little finger, and let the fourth finger come here. Okay, we'll just check with the size. Since this is the little finger, so the little finger, then this should be the longest, sorry for my language. Okay, so done. Now we will rub whatever pumpkin is coming inside her and we will draw the hand again. Okay, so this is the pretty hand of the fairy, and the other hand she's holding something. So let us make 1, 2, 3, 4. So she's the pumpkin fairy, children. Pumpkin fairy with a stick and a star. Star is a patent of a fairy, so she's having a star. Now let's make the other parts, that is the hand part. Okay, this shall be her dress part. There should be a dress part somewhere here. The pumpkin should be cut from here, then here. Okay, I'm making it double so that you all can see. It has to be double. Okay, so the pumpkin is cut and it goes behind like that. Oh, we are supposed to make the pari ke par. So let us make her hair first. Let us make a little shabby hair, because small children are never with very good combed hair. So let's make the hair shabbily done. Shabby hairs look very pretty. So one shandy going here, one coming here, then one taking a turn. You all can do it anyhow. And since she's the pumpkin queen fairy, so she will have pattas like that. Yes, then we will have this. Again we will have this. then we will have this. Okay, so this is the patta of a pumpkin. So again I'll teach you 1 2 3, then dik chicka dha, dik chicka dha, dik chicka dha. So let us make few cherries. She's this is the head part. Okay, a little hair coming from here, and then let's make her wings. She's a fairy, so she's supposed to have wings. Tink chicka ticka chicka tink chicka takka takka ta, tink chicka ticka chicka tink chicka ticka chicka ta. Okay, so उसके बाद हम बनाएंगे ऐसा U U U U U U U, फिर इधर से U अंदर चला गया, छोड़ दो. फिर इधर हम लोग ऐसे डिवाइड करते हैं, टिक चिक टिक चिक टिक चिक टिक चिक टिक चिक. You should understand what you have drawn. Okay. Oh, I was just checking whether my video is on. So a letter of undos. So one fairy, the pumpkin fairy is done. So she's coming out of the pumpkin. Okay, now we can take the turn here. Okay, the turn here is not much visible, but this has to be a bit motya, jadya. So this is the pumpkin fairy which is coming up. Oh, what did I do? Just okay, never mind, that will go in coloring. So this is the pumpkin fairy coming out of the pumpkin, and her sister is here, and she's so tired. I've already come out of pumpkin and so much of work you all give. So we will make her here. No, we'll make her a little down. So am I in the picture? Yes. So one U as usual. So you all will learn how to draw figures. Okay, similar eyes we have to give her. Round eyes with round undo 1 2 and a naragundu. I don't know whether I've done it right. 1 2, let's see, with a naragundu. This is her nose. Now her smile. 1 2, then from this we go up, we come down. She is also having a pout. See, the faces need to be similar because they are sisters. Okay, my nose has got a bit teda, so let me do it sida. This is her gala, neck. Okay, now she is a little fashionable. Okay, so let's make her a little fashionable. So after the neck, what you will do is make little body of hers here. Then we'll make her shoulders. Yes, this shall be her shoulders, and this is her hand. Okay, now this is her hand which is going down. We'll see where this hand goes. So she's worn a beautiful pink color dress. Let's see which color. Let's make pink color. Pink colors. She will be the orange one because she's coming out of the pumpkin. And her sister will draw something. Let's see what we make. Even I'm not very sure. So this will be her thumb, and this will be her hand. She's here sitting in a sitting position. So okay, so what we will do is, I have an idea. We'll do one leg here since she's sitting. So we'll make, see, after making one, this you will make this and then leave some space and come out like that. Okay, this is a bit patlu, so let me make it a bit jadiya. Okay, after doing this, you will take a turn from here and join here. So you understood how in a very nakhrelu position she's sitting. This has to come a little down. See children, I'm drawing with imagination, so I imagine how a person might be sitting and then I draw. So I do make mistakes. So this should be a ranguta. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, sangla. And this is her other leg somewhere down. So she is in a sitting position. Is her eyes looking a little up? Yes, I feel that. So let's make her eyes a bit down because she'll look wicked if her eyes goes up. So let's do it. nicely. Let's make her eyes down. Remember children, when you want to make a cute drawing, you should see to that your eyes are not on your matha. I always tell, hey, what am I doing? Is it okay? Let's see. I'm not very sure. So let's make her hair and then we will understand whether it is really coming nice. Similar hair, a little wavy hair. She should look also beautiful, correct? So let's make her hair shandy. Then her shandy goes here. Let the shandy come here. Okay, let one shandy come here. Style. So we'll rub this part. As it this part is looking a little, I'm not liking it here. I'm not liking the face. Again I'll rub it. I'm rubbing the entire face, children. I'm doing it again. I'm not liking it. So let her eyes be here. I think so. Andu, Nargundu. Andu, Nargundu. Okay. So her lips. We have to make a pout for her. I don't know why she's looking a bit cunning to me. And her position of sitting is also a little cunning. Let's see how she looks after everything is done. Now let's make, she has leaves, so we'll make flowers for her. So let's make few flowers. Children, my videos go very long because I don't decide what am I supposed to do before I sit. I sit and I say, yes, aaj pari karte. Hey, I'm going to do mandala art. Somebody has requested me to do mandala art. I'm definitely going to do the mandala art. But please give me some time because I need to get marker. One marker. I have only one marker, and if it stops in between, Maira kachra ho jayega. Okay. Oh, okay. She's okay. Now we have to draw her par like that. So let us start from here. So it is going to go here. Take a turn, come inside. From here it will go here. Take a turn and come inside. And then from here it will go down. And from here it shall go down. Very confusing drawing. Okay, now she's in front. So this part of the pumpkin is going to get rubbed. Oh, mama. So similarly we are going to make U pattern. Yuchu. Then here also Yuchu. बाप रे, मेरे को कुछ नहीं समझेगा बाद में मैंने क्या बनाया. Okay, so she is looking at her coming out of the pumpkin and she's sitting on the floor. Let us make her hair come a bit here. I don't know why she's not looking cutie boy. Let's see how we do it. Let's see. Okay, she's here, and what else can we make for her? She's coming out of the pumpkin and she's just sitting like that, relaxing. Okay, so my drawing is done, children. I'm not going to waste my time to show you the marker part also. I'll just do the marker part and come back to you soon. Okay, children, the coloring is going to be a really tough job because even I'm not understanding what I have made. But don't you worry. First we will complete all the skins. Slowly we will do and we will complete. So this is her skin. So one part has to be orange. So we will take the left hand side part to be orange. Okay, just above the eyes shall be orange. The neck little part is going to be orange. Hands a bit part to be orange. I have taught you all the shading of orange and skin, children. Okay, so this fairy has only this much part. We will leave the cheeks here. Okay, and we will do guli guli with our flesh tint, children. Flesh tint is the skin color. So we'll completely color it with skin. Slowly we'll have to do it, otherwise it is such a confusion drawing के पर का है तो हाथ का है ते पैर की थेंगे, कुछ समझते ही नहीं है, मेरे को ही नहीं समझ रही तू। बना तो ले लेकिन बाद में वांगड़ वांगड़ हो रहा है, दिमाग कथई बन रहा है। आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या किया क्या। When you are doing minute drawings you have to be careful. Now I am not touching the rosy lip, क्या बोलते हैं यार इसको, cheeks. Okay, so let us do this. Okay, now there is ample amount of body for her, so this side will be orange again for her. So this is her skin. Okay, this is her hair. Then we will go in for the hair part. We better don't get confused. Part by part we shall finish it. This is a this is also a hand, so this part has to be orange. One part has to be orange. The legs, the lower part, let us make it orange. और कोई skin का part है नहीं है ना? Okay, so this part is going to be orange and this part is going to be orange. Now again we will leave one circle here and one circle here for the chikdu part, and we shall do gully gully with our skin. So टर्न बाय टर्न सबकी बारी आएगी, उसमें हम भी कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगे और परियां भी कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगी। ये दो बहनें हैं जो ऐसे गार्डन में घूमने आए हैं, तो उधर पम्पकिन के अंदर ये फंस गई है। दे हैव कम टू टेक द नेक्टर फ्रॉम द फ्लावर्स। ओके, क्यूट लिटिल टू चुनुमुनुस, माय क्यूटी पाइस, and they are going to grant Tanu teacher a wish if I make them nicely. That's what they told me. So I need to make them very nicely if I want the wishes to come true. Now let us complete the pumpkin, otherwise I am going to get thorough confused. So to make the pumpkin I have taken my scarlet color. So I am using the scarlet color. This is the center portion of the pumpkin. So I am using the scarlet color here. Okay, then on the second hand we will take, this will be the shadow area, and the scarlet color should go here. Okay, now again when we go to the third part, this should be the shadow area and the scarlet color should come here. When we go this side, this should be the scarlet color. बाकी का थोड़ा part is gone behind this pari. So you know my daughter, my sister's daughter's name is also Pari. परी हूँ मैं, मुझे न छूना, हम तो छुएंगे पुचू पुचू. So now we take our orange color and very carefully, अच्छा ये सब अभी orange orange जैसा ही दिखेगा. Okay, so let us leave a little part which we will use it with yellow. So we are going to do this, not much of मतलब interference, you all can just do it, you don't have to pull the color much. Here and here we'll do yellow. Okay, so again we'll leave a little space for yellow. Yellow will be lemon yellow, children, and this shall be orange. Okay, here also we will leave a little space for lemon yellow and it shall be orange. नो घसम घसाइन किसी के घर में घुसने का नहीं है. अभी हम लोग प्लेन करते, नहीं तो मैच कंफ्यूज जलेगी. मैंने वीडियो ऑन किया, हो किया है, शुक्र है भगवान का. You know, I keep on forgetting this worst part which happens with me. I make the entire drawing and then suddenly I like, oh Lord, मैंने तो वीडियो ही ऑन नहीं किया था. That is a blunder. Okay, so I'm taking my lemon yellow color and coloring this part lemon yellow. नहीं, ये lemon yellow is not matching here. What should I take? I should take my ochre color, no? Or my buff color. That would suit more rather than this yellow color. Yes, this is looking better. So drop the idea of lemon yellow and take your buff color or your yellow ochre color, children. and color these parts yellow ochre, because lemon yellow was looking a bit jhatak. It was not mixing, टोन सही नहीं आ रहा था, इसीलिए. ये टन्नू टीचर ऐसे ही है. आई डोंट नो. आई सी इफ इट इज़ नॉट कमिंग ओके, आई चेंज. माई डिसीजन इज चेंज्ड immediately. That is what everyone is, huh? But everyone does not show. I am telling you directly eyesight करने का, because for me it is a little difficult for me to be very sadhu types. I cannot be sadhu type. Okay, now next we shall take the hair, then we'll take the dresses. Okay, for the hair I have taken my new colors, my gande wala brown and my chocolate brown. So with the gande wala brown, अभी मेरे को पता नहीं चलेगा कौन सा. नहीं, आई विल नॉट टेक द चॉकलेट ब्राउन, आई विल टेक द बफ कलर इंस्टेड. चॉकलेट ब्राउन के साथ बफ का, चॉकलेट ब्राउन अच्छा नहीं दिखेगा, इट विल नॉट सूट. सो आई एम जस्ट ड्रॉइंग वन साइड विथ which is this color, the dark brown color. Here I am doing it completely because इधर shading और नहीं हो सकेगा. Okay, so one side of her hair lingadi is dark brown. This is hair, this is hair. और किथे हैगा hair? ये hair है इधर, मेरे को कुछ पता नहीं है. नहीं है, पता नहीं. I have got confused. Now let us take our, what did I say I'll take? Even I forgot. So I'm taking my yellow ochre color, okay, and I'm smudging it with this. So she's dye colored hair, she has dye colored hair, highlighted hair. She's gone to the parlor, highlighted her hair. हम लोग तो बेचारे ऐसा ही हो गए हैं लॉकडाउन में, किधर नहीं. अभी ये परी मेरे को विश ग्रांट करेगी ना, तो आई विल टेल हर आई वांट हाईलाइटेड हेयर. एज इट इज माई हेयर्स हैव गॉट हाईलाइटेड, दे हैव बिकम सॉल्ट एंड पेपर, ब्लैक एंड वाइट. सो हर हेयर इज डन. एक काम खत्म. अभी लेट अस टेक द ग्रीन कलर फॉर द पत्ता एंड वी विल शेड इट. Okay, we'll take dark green, dark green, dark green, dark green, and we'll shade it with the yellow green color. Children, I love itna chota sa color, itna chota sa. Today I'm not having white, children. Actually I have, but it's a challenge to me to do a painting without white. Challenge accepted. Okay, so all these cherries and her lips, if I have a sketch pen, red sketch pen, I would rather use a red sketch pen. I'll have to search for it. Yes, I found it. Because बहुत minute जगह है, so problem हो जाती है. So I have my red sketch pen and I'm coloring the lips red. Okay. And I'm coloring these cherries red. Now her dress ka this part we shall do red, but this shall not be red because इधर भी red और ये सब same shade हो जाता है. So let's not do that. Let's do her dress green in color. It will match and it will look pretty also. So I'm making her dress green, fairy queen, and she is supposed to be a cute little fairy. Green, fairy queen. So this is also green. Now this much is done. Now we shall start with this. And now since we have taken green color, let us take which color should I take here? I keep on getting confused with the color choices. Very difficult for me to choose colors. Let us take fluorescent. Fluorescent color will look nice. So let's make this part fluorescent pink. See children, remember, more colorful your drawing, more prettier it looks. Always remember that. Always try to make your drawings very, very colorful. Okay, so this is done. Now the पीछे तो sky आने वाला है, तो sky blue होएगा, so we can take some other color that will complement with pink, and I think so since green is used, we shall use a shade of green, or we will use green gray color, a little different color, but this time we are doing it here. We'll not enter these balls. We'll try and make these box red, because then it will be a complementary color to the entire thing. Okay, so I'm using green gray color. It's a baby color which you all will be using, the green gray. So one fairy is at least ready, and she's telling to खिंच मेरी फोटो, तो खिंच मेरी फोटो, तो खिंच मेरी फोटो तनु आंटी. I sing very badly, but I can't help it. Every word, when it comes to my, मेरे को फटक से गाना आ जाता है, फट से फट, फट. ऐसे जितेंद्र की एक पिक्चर थी जिसमें वो करता है फट, ऐसा ही उसके पास भी डंडा होता है. नाउ तो योला बिकम मॉडर्न ना, योला हैरी पॉटर के ज़माने वाला, हम लोग तो थे विक्रम और बेताल के ज़माने के बच्चे. योला हैरी पॉटर के ज़माने के बच्चे. अभी हैरी पॉटर का नाम लेकर कोई मेरे को बोलना मत हैरी पॉटर बनाओ, ओके? नो वन विल टेल मी टू मेक हैरी पॉटर. अभी नीचे के भी पहले बाल कर देते हैं, अदरवाइज इट्स वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग. सो सिस्टर सेम बाल कर देते हैं, और वील मेक इट अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. लेट्स सी. Okay, so I am using this brown color for one lingadi of her hair. She is having more hair than the upper sister. She has more hair, and we'll make her this part will be dark. This per ka fluorescent pink की जगह we'll use fluorescent yellow, provided I find my color. If I don't find it, gone. I'm very bad at losing colors. Okay, so my yellow ochre color for her highlighted hair. Pari hetu. Mandala art. Please, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna buy a marker for me first, a new marker, because once I start doing mandala art और बीच में अगर मेरा मार्कर बंद हो गया तो सोचो मेरा कितना कचरा हो जाएगा ना. That is why I'm waiting for a new marker to come, and as soon as I buy my marker, most probably tomorrow, I'll be doing my mandala art. Okay, so this is done. Now can I see my fluorescent yellow color somewhere? Yes, I can see a Chinuminusa fluorescent yellow color. So let me wipe it clean, and since we did this pink, fluorescent pink, we are doing this fluorescent yellow. Okay children, now what color dress should we put for her? Hey, one hair ka lingda is left. This is also hair. Yes, this is also a hair. So yellow ochre color. It will happen with you also, don't worry. Let's make the flowers also fluorescent yellow, and we will put a maroon color dot here. Okay, so her dress shall be maroon. Let's make her dress maroon. Okay children, now if you want you can color your entire background, Or if you don't want, like you know how we did the Doraemon, see I'm leaving a little part here and I'm smudging it with pink so that I can give a little bit of shading over here. Okay, so this is done. Now over here also what we are going to do is we are going to draw the borders. We are going to draw the borders and shade it with pink so that there is complementary of colors everywhere we have done. The color should complement each other, है ना? हैंडशेक करना चाहिए. नहीं 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 नहीं, आज के ज़माने में नमस्ते करना चाहिए, हैंडशेक नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay, so they are not going to do handshake, they're going to do namaste to each other. Now I'm using my pink just for few lines. I'm not going to color the entire part, and the little part is going to remain white. Okay, I'm not going to color the entire thing. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा चौड़ देने का, थोड़ा थोड़ा चौड़ते, थोड़ा कभी कभी चौड़ देने का. ओह, इधर का तो रह गया. तो खिंच मेरी फरत खिंच. This is the maroon of DOMS. It is not the carmine color, it is the maroon color of DOMS which I have used here. So just darkening these portions a bit. Now let me take my sketch pen for her lips. Okay, so it is done. Now do I have any other color? No, and I need a very sharpened color for the eye. मैंने कोई भी कलर उठा दिया, मैंने ऐसे सोच के कुछ नहीं उठाया. Now children, there are two ways. You remember we had done Doraemon, so where we had put a little bit of sky and we had left rest of the paper, and we can do the similar way we can do here also. So let me do that. That is also one way of coloring your drawings, children. Remember, you should know many different ways of coloring drawing. So I have taken a darker shade, that is the Antwerp blue here. Okay, so this will be the sky part. We are not going to completely do it. See, remember how we do it. We have already done for one of the videos in the Doraemon videos, correct? So we have already done there. So the sky is here. Till here is the sky. Now we are using a light blue color to smudge it. See children, it was a challenge for me. I did not have white color with me today. And I have made the entire drawing without a white color. Can you imagine? White is the most important color. अभी अगर मेरे पास white होता तो मैं क्या बोलती, अभी white से गुली गुली करो. अभी मेरे पास white है ही नहीं, है ना? So see, my hand will be my white today. Okay, I should not dirty anything. So I'm just going to do a roly-poly of colors over here and distribute this blue color outside. See, my roly-poly of colors. Now when I'm going to post it, I am going to do my rebordering with my charcoal pencil. So she is in sky, this pari is in sky. Now let's make this pari in dharti, on dharti, sorry, not in dharti, on dharti. So she is also on dharti over here. From here she is on dharti. So I have taken my emerald green color. Here, guli 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 guli. Here I have taken my emerald green color. Guli guli guli. Okay. Let me dust it a bit. Now I am doing it down. Oh my god. You know, I get very scared to remove the wrapper because as soon as I remove my wrapper, the color to tutla. Asat sasto. That is why I try and avoid removing my wrappers. सो ये धरती माता पे बैठी है, ये परी हमें परी, प्लीज सी दिस वीडियो एंड शेयर इट एंड टेल मासी ने मेरे लिए ये वीडियो बनाया था, है ना? I'm gonna write a message to you. Pari, I've made a video for you. Please do watch it. Now I'm gonna take I wanted my yellow green color. Yes, I have to do, no, this is still brighter. So let me take this color instead. So this is my light green color, children, and I'm doing a kuli with light green. Emerald green and light green are not matching with each other. मैं तेरी दुश्मन तू मेरा ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं because they are not, see, it is not mixing much. So what should I do? Tell me what should I do? Tell me what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Never mind. I have a cloth. With this cloth I'm going to smudge it properly and see to that they do match. ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. I've taken a cloth purposely, children, because these colors were not, जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ ना, एक दूसरे के साथ हाथ में हाथ डालकर चलना चाहिए, वैसा ये नहीं चल रहे थे, इसलिए इनको ज़बरदस्ती एक दूसरे के साथ चला रही हूँ. Emerald green and my yellow green were not. So let me take a little bit of yellow and merge it here. And now I think so we should color a little more. I don't know whether it will look nice because I've colored too much of part here. So let's see. I'll color this part yellow. I'll color this part. It's not looking nice without colors. So I'm coloring this part yellow and I will be putting green down. So I'm completely coloring my book. I thought I would leave a little bit of work, but no, it's not looking that good. That's what I say ना, जो मैं बोलती हूँ वो मैं करती नहीं, और जो मैं करती हूँ वो मैं definitely नहीं बोलती. So dialogue, instant dialogue from Tanu teacher. Okay, so now since I have done a little bit of blunder here, what I will do is I will take my Chinusa black and I'll put a shadow here. So no painting goes wrong. I put a shadow here. It's okay. So shadow बन गया यार. उसमें क्या है ना? And I'll put a shadow here also to show that yes, there is a shadow. So shadow इत्थे पण. So we have put two shadows. Now let us do this part. So where is my light blue? No. First let me finish it with a bit of yellow because it's still here. So it starts later. Now I shall start with my blue. I'm doing my book a bit teda, so I'll have to rub the blue color a lot. I'm doing it very vangad vingad. I have a very chotusa white which I'll be smudging it. I don't know whether I'll be using it or no, but yes, blue. I'm not doing it very daba ke, children. See, जान बूझ के, नहीं तो मेरे को तुमसे कलर घसाने का बहुत शौक है. मैं वैसे भी चुड़ैलू जो कलर खा जाती हूँ, बच्चों के सारे कलरों को मैं खा जाती हूँ. So I've done this. See, can you see a little bit of part left? Now I'll do jadoo because I don't have white. I'm going to use a cloth. I'll have to see. And I'm going to do this part. Can you see? I've smudged my color. Now when you do it with a cloth, you have to press it hard. मैं जैसे पहले बोलती ना पोली पोली करो, ऐसा पोली पोली नहीं कर सकते, तुमको प्रेस करना पड़ेगा तभी वो ऐसा वाला शेडिंग आएगा, नहीं तो नहीं आएगा. This also technique I have learned from children, क्योंकि चिल्ड्रन को कलर घसने को बहुत कंटाला आता है. So there were children who taught me, थोड़ा सा कलर करो फिर कपड़े से बनचका कर दो, हो जाता है. एंड इट इज़ अ फैक्ट, हो जाता है यार. हम लोग बेचारे बैठ के दबा दबा के घसीट के कलर करते, पर करने का ऐसे ही नहीं छोड़ने का. यू हैव टू डू दबा के घसीट के कलरिंग. नाउ सिंस सी आई डोंट वांट दिस लाइन, सो व्हाट एम आई डूइंग इज आई एम जस्ट putting this yellow color and green. See, this is a green part which is made here. ऐसा पहला पता होता था तो कर देते थे, no problem. Now when I'm going to post this, I am going to do, where is my pencil? Yes, see, ये है हमारी पेंसिल. इससे हम वापिस से पूरा बॉर्डरिंग करेंगे ऐसा. दैट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू शो यू बिकॉज वैसा भी तुम लोग इतना लॉन्ग वीडियो देखेगा नहीं. सो आई विल डू दिस एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू पोस्ट इट. ओके, सो द ड्राइंग इज डन. कैन यू सी? ओए मैं तो की कर दी पिए चिकटिक डिंग चिकटिक डिंग चिकटिक 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 डिक चिकटिक चिकटिक चिकटिक. सो इट्स डन चिल्ड्रन एंड मंडाला आर्ट विल बी डन नेक्स्ट. उसके बाद साई बाबा है, मीनियंस है, कितने मेरे को करने, बट आई विल डू एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो बाय टिल देन, गुड नाइट. It will be uploaded by tomorrow because it's already 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. So it will be uploaded by tomorrow morning. Okay, so bye till then and have a nice sleep.